Let us take you on a journey through two of Albania's most treasured cities, Kruja and Shkoder. We'll start bright and early at 8 a.m. with a comfortable pickup from Tirana or Durres. From there, it's off to Kruja, a city steeped in history and tradition. Stroll through the lively traditional bazaar, where colourful handmade crafts and local treasures tell stories of Albanian culture. Then, step into Kruja Castle and the Skanderbeg Museum, where the legacy of Albanian national hero comes to life. It's a place that inspires pride and connection with Albania's past. Next, we head north to Shkoder, a city that beautifully showcases Albania's natural and cultural diversity. At Rozafa Castle, you'll hear ancient tales and enjoy breathtaking views of rivers and mountains. Then take a relaxing walk through Shkoder's charming city centre, known for its harmonious mix of religious landmarks and warm-hearted locals. We'll finish the day at the peaceful shores of Lake Skadar, in the village of Shiroke. It's the perfect spot to take in the serene beauty of Albania's largest lake. Maybe even try some of the local fish dishes. It's a true taste of our region. This tour is more than just a trip. It's a chance to experience the heart of Albanian North. See you soon.